Got our arrival coming in. That's what they were sneaking around. There we go. Look at that commercial airliner back on the ground here. Get them out of here. And then we'll continue on. That's the heritage flight going out. We share this runway, you know. Across the field there. We'll kind of weave and bob just a bit. But Dave, I thought something looked unusual there when he was plugging out right on cue there. I thought, well, we ought to see this. Divers are going to be here to talk to you about how they do that training. And they're actually going to provide you a demonstration with the F5 that's still flying today in support of...
Stand up and put your hands together for Major Easter in the F16 Fighting Falcons! It's absolutely positively must be blown up or shot down overnight. The F-16 has always been there on time at our target, and we'll continue to do so thanks to them. God bless America. Dogfight. The ability to turn tight is not just a capability of the airplane, but of the fighter pilot as well. To demonstrate its ability to outturn any adversary, FEMA will fly a minimum radius turn while being pressed to the seat at 9 times the force of gravity, while sustaining his new body weight of 1,800 pounds and flying with precision. Pausing briefly at each 90-degree increment. Notice the precision at which these individual movements are executed. In from the left, the F-16 and the 4-point roll.
one more time to the right. Your Yuma is inbound for another high-speed pass. Every second, he'll be covering the distance of 3 football fields or 950 feet per second. This is still less than half the Viper's top speed of Mach 2. As he approaches show left, Major Booster is repositioning for a maneuver which will demonstrate the F-16's ability to turn tight and stay unpredictable, a trait which helps the Viper survive against low altitude threats. He will then quickly transition from the horizontal flight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, it's the Falcon turn. Reaches show center, Major Booster will fly full afterburn and pull back on the stick for a near vertical climb, demonstrating the F-16's awesome thrust to weight ratio.
Maneuver possible. In from the left, the F-16 and the knife edge pass.
Now, what does Phoenix set for a maximum performance climb with a series of either on the roll?
And now, from behind the crowd and to the right, the F-16 Viper demonstration team proudly presents the dedication pass.
Right there.
The Viper you see in action today is maintained and showcased by our expert team of maintenance and public affairs professionals. Crew Chief, Staff Sergeant Holden Bacon from Yountville, Louisiana. Staff Sergeant William. ADL Specialist Senior Emma Blaine Dickey from Medford, Oregon. Public affairs specialist Senior Emma Stephen Gardo from Miami, Florida. Leaders of the Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian pilots to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. During this gathering was more than heritage flight, a unique visual representation of the Air Force's history from the days of the early enabling the F-16 to stop in less than 3,000 feet of runway if necessary. Added ability to take off relatively short runway, that you have a fighter that can operate from thousands of airfields in virtually every country in the world. While today's demonstration shows you how well the F-16 can maneuver in combat, what we cannot show is its striking power or the accuracy and lethality of the weapons it carries. The Viper can hit targets well outside of visual range while flying faster than the speed of sound. Coupled with the innovative, motivated, versatile, and adaptable airmen, your United States Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcon is applying new technologies and capabilities never before employed on a fighter.
As proud members of an all-volunteer Air Force, we hope our performance has inspired you to serve your country, alongside the professional men and women you see here in action today, either flying in the cockpit of an F-16 or... Thank you for your attendance, patriotism, and support.
Nice job there by the Heritage team. Glad to give them away.